you go, classic out of the past, Dion DiMucci doing it for us called The Wanderer. Hey, we got some door prizes today. Door prizes, you can claim your door prize at the dunk booth. By the way, there's people in the dunk booth right now. Oh, I'm sorry. Door prizes at the registration table. I'm very sorry about that. Door prizes over at the registration table. Dunk tank, they had the 50-50 tickets, okay? That's how that's done. People in the dunk tank. We got some door prizes. Catch these two numbers. I got two to give away right now. First of all, let's hear that bet. Let's hear it. Thank you, brother. Door prize ticket winning number 5215444. 5215444. 5215489. 5215489. Okay? I'll read them again. 5215444. 5215489. Go to the registration booth and claim your door prize. We go right back to music for you. One of the icons of rock and roll, Little Richard, one of his lost tracks. We go B-side, Little Richard. It's called Kansas City. Hey, hey, hey.